Alright guys, the video you guys have all been waiting for. I finally eat the boiling crab from Burbank. Yes, you heard it from me. After all those reshares, all those likes, all those subscribes, I finally got sponsored by the boiling crab. I'm just kidding, but I am gonna eat at the boiling crab. And what? So we're heading there now. We placed our order by calling, obviously because of COVID. They have to make sure they're taking appropriate measures to avoid the spread. Freaking sponsored. Slow the spread. Sorry, because there's no such thing. I can't wait to see the love of my life, which is the food. Yeah, there's not much to this vlog, but other than you finally get to see me eat the boiling crab, and just fun, you know, whatever. And anyways, a girl can dream. Maybe someday, someday the boiling crab or someplace will sponsor me to eat crab and shrimp and seafood just in general. And I can't wait for that day to come. So I'm gonna eat it right now and for the days to come, because I need to get ready for that moment, you know? Alright, I'll see you guys. And they're not busy at all, so usually this is hot. Right, go. Head over to number 3. Oh, my stomach, it smells so good. My stomach hurts, but it still smells so good. I want to eat.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It smells delicious. It smells fantastic, if you ask me. Okay, so these are all the fried items. Which your pink person, the king crab, salt, pepper, lime, some rice, and all the bags for sale. Okay, we got this.
That's 3?
Oh yeah. Remember they usually only give you 2?
Bag secured.
Guys, if you're looking for a good workout, just order as much as we did and you'll get a good workout in, because I'm freaking maybe I'm sore from the beach yesterday.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Did they give us bibs?
They should have. Wait,
They didn't give us a table stuff.
No?
No, I don't think so.
It's right there.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, we got it all prepared. So this is just now we're eating the boiling crab. I'm only gonna record for 10 minutes. Don't worry, Mario. Don't worry, Mario.
Are you gonna get us so we can get ready?
Oh, you want to be in it? I don't know. I usually just record me or Darian or whoever.
Who wants to be in it?
No.
Alondra, do you want to say hi to the camera? Alondra, the camera's facing you. Dude, she's hungry. She's thirsty. There's no querían. Yeah. Cesar, are you ready?
No. Good.
Angel, are you ready? The one that initiated this.
He came up with the idea.
Yeah, he was like, let's do mukbang, but then I was like, yeah. We can do a mukbang by ourselves next time. No invitation for none of you guys. You guys could eat on the side. Okay, so we got the salt and pepper here. They always give it to you right away. So this place is good for service. Their service and quality is awesome. Always lemon on my salt and pepper.
We don't have any juice.
That's what they always.
And look at mine. Look at mine's like dripping in juice, and I'm
Yeah,
like,
mine was dripping.
you want to see my mom? This is my mom. That's my sister's laugh, and they have the same laugh. We got it from her. ¿No has visto el video donde te sale? She has no idea. She's gonna freaking sue me. Okay, look at this shrimp. We're peeling it now. You don't peel it?
I did. What?
I'm gonna do it. I do that too. I used to, but not as much as. I have a fear that it's not gonna digest in my stomach.
Basically, the shell.
I think I like it peeled better.
Yeah, me too.
You've never had it peeled?
Yeah, I always have it peeled, but I have it also. I used to eat the shell.
Oh.
You used to eat the shell?
I just did it right now.
And didn't we ask for rent?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
No.
No?
I don't
Oh, no.
They cheated us.
He doesn't like ranch.
I can't even smell it. What the?
Okay, well they messed up with the ranch.
Like, forget what
Their rating goes down all the way. 0. Never. Don't recommend it. We literally only ordered shrimp and fries and lobster.
Keep it.
I mean lobster.
Ketchup.
Crab. So ranch. I mean, so right, fries. Ranch from somewhere.
My dad's on the
I'm scared. I don't think this is good. I think it's Wingstop.
Yeah? Is it good or no?
Try it. It's Wingstop. It's good. The fries are the only cool thing.
something similar to boiling crab in Washington?
No, dude. Did you watch the video? You posted it,
Did you
right?
watch the video of Seattle? When I go to Seattle?
The Seattle vlog where we ate.
We went to this place called Crackpot.
We ate crab. Did you see the? It was like yellow.
Did you see it?
No, you just hit. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we recorded one
I was watching it.
going there, and it was not. It was not
It was
good.
not good, honestly.
Yeah. No seasoning at all. Literally nothing. They
It was
just
like
boiled
naked.
I would assume you guys do because Washington.
Exactly.
You guys have a lot.
Yeah.
I would too.
We went to one like last year. That was similar to this, but it just wasn't. It didn't. It was tasty.
Destiny, you want to say hi to the vlog? She's mad at me. That's why I said that. Cheers. The fries still taste good though. So le llamé para atrás y dije, hey, apenas, oh, that's a crab. Oh my god.
See, this is way different.
What the fluffers? Entonces después ya me textó y dijo, whatever, tío says. No, no dijo whatever. I'm just adding drama. I was adding drama, though, you guys. She didn't say whatever. Ella solo dijo, ya me va a llevar tío Said. Yeah, breakfast is spicy, this is spicy. I'm gonna die actually.
Hey, were you guys having like turn?
I'm gonna have diarrhea.
Oh no, we were just going crazy.
Mami, te lo puse en tu cara para que veas cómo te lo comes. The fries are exceptional when they're warm. It was food.
No,
I'm like,
that's for you.
so you get that. That's not for me. It's for Alondra. Oh, thank you. Okay, so this is the crab. Let me put it up. Ooh, look at that.
You like it?
That's the joint, right? That's right at the joint.
Yeah,
You see that sauce?
I get the shell.
That's what it's all about. Okay. This is why you love it, huh, Brianna? The crab. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna cut this video because I'm over this. Mommy, any last words you want to say? One word. No. Oh,
No.
That's a good one. Okay, bye. Anybody have some last words to say?
Angel.
Okay.
No, I don't.
Angel was the one that wanted this video to happen. You're in the vlog now. What are you gonna say about it? What about you, Cesar? Are you shy? Are you camera shy? Oh. Bye bye.
So this is the aftermath of eating good for a week. So more than crab, please sponsor us because this is what we do for the content. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm sweaty. We're going back home now. And there's literally no one. Regret this choice. I feel like there's not any like really great like food in the airport, so I don't want to regret this, honestly. I think this is gonna be our best choice. Yes, it's pretty neutral. This is a great option. I freaking love cranberry. Why is it? I feel like always like tires everyone else. Okay, this like always is delicious. This was actually really good. I like it. It's bitter. It's bitter like cranberry juice. Let's try this one.
Thank you.
Honestly, it's not the best, but it's decent.
Dude, this is actually really disgusting. This is not good at all.
I'll just put you out. I'm just hungry. Airport food part 2. I'm just kidding. We got the chips. These are good, I already know. And then we got this East Bay Glen. We're in Oakland right now. So let's see. I mean, pizza, you can't go wrong, honestly.
Looks pretty cheap to me.
Looks pretty normal.
Smells pretty cheap to me too.
Well, yeah, I mean, obviously, this is not going to be the best. Honestly, I think it's going to taste like mod pizza. Crunchier than I expected. The cheese is really cheesy, like mozzarella. And I think it's fresh. Tastes like fresh mozzarella. I mean, the pepperoni's alright. It's not the best, but everything else is decent. Alright, I got home safe and sound. Comment and subscribe down below. Comment down below on what kind of videos you would like me to put. My dog was definitely happy to see me home.